Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC Auckland Park eGoli naze nohlonze J.
We are united for change under one name. We will have one set of electoral lists. We will have one shared platform and we share one purpose.
Amaqembu amathathu ezombusazwe iBuild One South Africa, iGood Party neRise Mzansi asesungula iqembu elisha iUnited for Change okuyiqembu azoba imbumba ngaphansi kwalo njengoba kusondela ukhetho lohulumeni bezindawo ngoNyaka.
Phakathi nayibangaphakathi lokuright umnandi kwathoma lento leyo ukuthi qhala isibhamu ngaphandle.
Usathuthumela umphakathi waseBronkhorstspruit kulandela ukubulawa kwabantu abayisithupha kwalimala nabanye ngesikhathi bedutshulwa endaweni yokucima ukoma ezithobeni.
Kusiqeda amandla sonke bodingiswayo lokho okwenzakeleyo ngakho sithe asize nesizwe sakwaButhelezi.
Basalokhu bethuthelekile kwamthethwa endaweni yakwaMbonambi KwaZulu-Natal abazobhonga emswaneni emva kokwedlula kobe inxusa laseNingizimu Afrika eFrance uNathi Mthethwa oshonele eParis. Namhlanje bekufike abesizwe sakwaButhelezi abanobuhlobo obukhulu nomndeni wakwaMthethwa. Nabesikhukhula nesikandaba esikhukhule omama sebetshatha saze sababeka einkwazini zomfula einkwazini zothukela libumbeni ihora lomkhothi kusihlwa yaphinde yahlangana leyo mhlathi yazanayo. Siyakhuleka nabendlela amakhosi nazo. Amaqembu amathathu ezombusazwe iBuild One South Africa, iGood Party neRise Mzansi asesungule iqembu elisha iUnited for Change okuyiqembu azoba imbumba ngaphansi kwalo njengoba kusondela ukhetho lohulumeni bezindawo ngonyaka ozayo. Lamaqembu athi ukuhlangana kwawo akukhona ukubusa ngokubambisana kodwa ukubumbana ngendlela enokulingana. Lesimemezelo senziwe Rosebank eGoli namhlanje.
Amaqembu ezombusazwe iBuild One South Africa, iRise Mzansi kanye neGood Party asehlanganyele ndawonye yabumba iqembu elisha iUnited for Change. Lamaqembu womathathu azogadla ngaleli qembu elisha njengoba kubhekwe ukhethweni lohulumeni bezindawo ngonyaka ozayo. Abasunguli balo bobathathu bavumelene ngokwabelana ngamandla okuhola leli qembu.
And we are united for change under one name. We will have one set of electoral lists. We will have one shared platform. And we share one purpose.
Ukubunjwa kwe-United for Change bathi kuhloswe ngakho ukulungisa isimo sohulumeni bezindawo esingagculisi neze kwezinye izingxenye zezwe.
Local government is arguably the most important to get right. Because that is where government interact the closest with the people. We know that South Africa's towns and cities are grappling with pressures and opportunities of a rapid urbanization.
It is time for a new and younger generation of leaders. You cannot modernize with old people, with respect. Old ideas and the inflexibility that comes with wanting to do the same things that have been tried and failed on numerous occasions before.
Kusenjalo uma leli qembu selibhaliswe ngokusemthethweni kukhomishana yezokhetho ezimele iIEC okulandelayo ukubamba izithangami zomphakathi ezweni lonkana ngenhloso yokuqalisa ngohlelo lwenqobomgomo yalo leli qembu ngaphambi kokhetho lohulumeni bezindawo ngonyaka ozayo.
Ikomiti lesigungu esiphezulu se-ANC libamba umhlangano walo eBoksburg eGauteng lapho kubhungwa khona ngezihloko ezehlukene eziphathelene neqembu kanye nezithinta uhulumeni nodaba lomnotho wezwe. Kulindeleke ukuthi iANC iphothule nezinhlelo zayo zangaphakathi zokuhlonzwa kwalabo abazophakanyiswa njengamakhansela kanye nezimeya okhethweni longonyaka ozayo.
Isigungu esiphezulu se-ANC sibambe umhlangano noqhubekayo eBoksburg nalapho kudingidwa khona nangezindaba eziphathelene neqembu nezithinta kakhulu ukhetho lwangonyaka ozayo lohulumeni bezindawo.
This is not just about compiling lists. It is about the quality of leadership we put before our people. Our process is clear and uncompromising. Candidates must emerge from community consultations, undergo rigorous vetting, and be assessed not by factional loyalties, but by their integrity.
Umbalula ukhulume nangezinselele ezibhekene nohulumeni wobumbano kulandela izinsongo ebezenziwa iPatriotic Alliance ngokusikaza ukuhoxa kuGNU uma engabuyiselwe esikhundleni uKenny Kunene emkhandlwini iGoli.
So it's a principled matter we are addressing here, because the people of Johannesburg did not give us overwhelming majority to govern and govern on our own. If that was the case, we will be able to talk a different story. So we don't determine for a political party who they must send to serve in local council.
Uphawulena ngodaba lukaBrian Mokgotsi igama lakhe elilokhu livele njalo kuKhomishana kaMadlanga.
Brian Mokgotsi is not a member of the ANC. It took me time to go to the records. I went to the branch, even the province. He's not a member of the ANC. He's just going up and down, perambulating among leaders and his proximity. He's not a member.
Lo mhlangano ke uzophothulwa kusasa umengameli weqembu Cyril Ramaphosa ozothula inkulumo yokuvala nalapho ezochaza ngezinhlelo zokusebenza kweqembu.
Usasuthumela umphakathi waseBronkhorsspruit kulandela ukubulawa kwabantu abayisithupha kwalimala nabanye ngesikhathi bedutshulwa endaweni yokucima ukoma ezithobeni.
Lomndeni womunye wezisulu uthi usakhungathekile ngalesi senzo sokudutshulwa kwabantu esenzeke endaweni yokucima ukoma eBronkhorsspruit. Ozibonele ngawakhe uthi bebezihlalele kule ndawo ngesikhathi zasebusuku ngesikhathi kugasela wesilisa ongaziwa ededela intululwane yezinhlamvu ebhekise kubantu bebengaphakathi.
Uthe lo muntu amfunayo makaphuma waphinda futhi usathi ngoba uyambona ukuthi yaphila wamcedelela futhi wangena wafuna lo omunye futhi uthi makafuna lo omunye futhi azange safuna ukwazi ukuthi udubula ubani ushiya bani wadubula kwasana sekadubula kuphela.
Umnikazi wendawo yokucima ukoma uthi namanje amalungu omphakathi asahlalele ovalweni njengoba ingaqala ukwenzeka into efana nalena kule ndawo.
Bengithengisa mina eTavern, bengithengisa mina, so dimesa bafika and then bajama umnyango and then badubula, but ikhosi yengebengu was bataketa u1 beyaphethe spam eduze umnyango, so bebafunana from last week into le I told me kwenzeka namhlanje.
Amaphoyisa asephume umkhankaso wokuthungatha kwabasolwa ababili abasagcwele amathafa.
It is reported by witnesses that 2 men known in the community came into the tavern, demanded that one of the patrons hand over his licensed firearm. A shot went off, and when patrons started running outside, the suspect fired randomly.
Kanti izakhamuzi zasezithobeni zithi zihlelele ubhojozi sezithuka ubala zidinga okungaphezulu kwezethembiso zamaphoyisa ngalesi sigameko.
Basalokhu bethuthelekile kwamthethwa endaweni yakwaMbonambi kwaZulu-Natal abazobhonga emswaneni emva kokwedlula emhlabeni kobe yinxusa laseNingizimu Afrika eFrance uNathi Mthethwa oshonele eParis emva kwembiko yokuthi uwe esuke esiteji sama-22 ehhotela behlala kulona. Abebehambele kwaMthethwa namhlanje besizwe sakwaButhelezi abanobuhlobo obuqinile nomndeni njengoba unkosikazi kaMthethwa ezalwa kwaButhelezi.
Induna zesizwe sakwaButhelezi ebeyiholwa inkosi uZuzifa Buthelezi zihambele ekhaya kwaButhelezi ziyobhonga emswaneni. Unkosikazi kaNathi Mthethwa uphilisiwe uzalwa kwaButhelezi. Inkosi yesizwe sakwaButhelezi uZuzifa Buthelezi uchaze uMthethwa njengomuntu obekusabhekwe okuningi kuye.
Ngikhala egameni lesizwe sonke sakwaButhelezi ngalokho kusehlele ngoba kusehlele sonke, kodwa siyazi ukuthi ekhaleni lalobu buhlungu inina obekuyindodana yenqole. Kuze thini sizwe sakwaButhelezi, kuze omakhelwane bethu, kuze South Africa yonke. Manje njengoba besele eFrance nje kuyafana nokuthi ungasho umuntu uthi bese global unathi emayisemele eSouth Africa ezweni elikhulu kangaka laseFrance. Futhi amagalelo akho wabona ukuthi ubengakaqali nokuqala.
Umndeni wakwaMthethwa uthe uzoqhubeka nokusebenzisana nomnyango wezobudlelwane namazwe omhlaba ukuze kuqhutshwe uhlelo lokubuyiswa kwesidumbu sikaMthethwa. ongumfowabo kankosikazi kaMthetho uKhulekani Buthelezi uthi sinzima kakhulu isimo esibhekene nodadewabo.
Siqemeke ingozi ongazi ukuthi ungayenze njani. Siyanikhalisa bodingisayo nathi sikhalele singamashe. Udadewethu lo ocacela ekhaya yena wangishela ibele. Besikhuluma sinomfethu omdala njengoba nazi ke bodingisayo ukuthi na bangale yane eFrance basawulungisa yona indaba ukuthi na umzimba odingisayo ubuyele ekhaya.
Umndeni ubunethemba lokuthi isidumbu sakhe sizobuyiswa ngoLwesibili.
Beziphume ngothilwazo namhlanje izakhamuzi zaseLenasia nakwezinye ingxenye zeGoli beyiqhubha imashe nokuthula ngeqhakambisa umkhankaso wokukhululwa kwabantu bezwe lasePalestine.
Lo mphakathi waseLenasia ubuqhuba imashe nokuthula ngenhloso yokuzwakalisa ukukhathazeka ngempi eqhubeka kwelasePalestina. Bakhathazeke kakhulu ngokubulawa kwabantu basePalestina.
We are here to call for the end to the war, to the genocide that's been committed, and for the release of our comrades who were arrested. They were part of the Sumud flotilla. We walk every year this time for the Walk for Freedom. It's an awareness walk. But right now we are pushing because we're seeing imperialism wanting to impose the full occupation of Palestine, demanding that the Western powers, the Americans and the Israelis, the white West world wants to dominate and tell the Palestinians how to live their lives.
Abebengxenya le mashi bathi izwe elithwele kanzima iPalestina.
There's no words to express this and the feeling that those people are going through. Nothing can explain what they are going through for today, for the rest of their lives. We have it so easy in our lives, and yet we cry for small and simple things in our lives.
Bakhuthaza uhulumeni waseNingizimu Afrika ngokuthi kufanele enze konke okusemandleni ukungenelela ngenhloso yokuthi kusizwe abasePalestina.
We are focusing on demanding that the prisoners that have been illegally abducted in international waters by the Israeli forces, the illegal Israeli occupation forces, we demand their immediate release into our hands, safe and without any harm to them.
Mbukele sathi qwe idola kanti uma besibuya sizophathela udaba oluthi
icela indlela wathi naku Works and Energy phaya sithi ngoku yintoni kanye ngaba ikhona le mali.
Izakhamuzi ezakhele esigodini entabeni eMthatha eStern Cape zithi ifuna incazelo ngombhoshongo ofakwe endaweni, ifuna ukucaciselwa ngokuthi obani abahlomula ngawo njengoba zona ingahlomuli ngalutho. Asikubingelele sikwamukele mbukeli uma basanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi amaqembu amathathu ezombusazwe iBuild One South Africa, iGood Party neRise Mzansi asesungule iqembu elisha iUnited for Change okuyiqembu azoba imbumba ngaphansi kwalo njengoba kusondela ukhetho lohulumeni bezindawo ngonyaka ozayo. La maqembu athi ukuhlangana kwawo akukhona ukubusa ngokubambisana kodwa ukubumbana ngendlela enobulingana. Bukela sikhumbuzo ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus. Wena okumele kwenze ngena kuzo uyigcina amagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzoyithola ngokunjalo bazo. Izakhamuzi ezakhele esigodini entabeni eMthatha esifundazweni Eastern Cape ifuna incazelo ngombhoshongo ofakwe endaweni. Ifuna induna namakhosi bachaze kabanzi ngokuthi obani abahlomula ngawo njengoba zona ingahlomuli ngalutho ngawo.
Owona msebenzi walepali kukuzisa uqhagamshelwano lusemgangathweni kule lali yasentabeni nakwezinye ezingqongileyo, kodwa ikwabangele iyanhlukwano phakathi kwabahlali. Abahlali bemile kwelokuba ingeniso eyenziwa irent yalepali ifanele ukusetyenziswa ekulungiseni imfuno ezingundoqo ukuze kuphucuke ubomi babo.
Sathi sicela amanzi, asenzela amanzi. Wathi naku OR Tambo. Sathi sicela indlela. Wathi naku Works and Energy phaya. Sithi ngoku yintoni kanye ngaba ikhona le mali.
Abahlali bathi kudala bezama ukufaka nemilomo nenkosi kodwa ziwe phansi inzame zabo.
Oko sahlala silapha singabahlali balelali kusithwa lela pali izawusenzela imfuno zethu esizidingayo apha, akukabikho kwanto esenzele yona.
Ulutsha lwalelali lukholelwe kubeni imali yenziwa yile pali yezonxibelelwano ngeyisetyenziswa kwizinto ezizawuxhamlisa uluntu ngokubanzi.
Njengoba ndilapha mandikhocha webhola, abantwana bayasokola, abakwazi nokwenzela kwanto kodwa sinemali.
Le nkosi kukhalwa ngayo ithe imibuzo yonke mayithunyelwe kwiphakathi layo. Inkosana yalapha ithi iphawule ukungaboni ngasonye phakathi kwabahlali ngendlela emayisetyenziswe ngayo imali yale pali.
Ewe ndiye ndafumanisa xa bendikho zantlanganiso zabo into yokuba kukhona ukungavisisani. Emveni babengavisisani ndacela kubo uba masidilize ikomiti le ikhalazelwa ngabanye nabanye bekhalazela abanye.
Kwiindaba ze-SABC ndingufundiswa Mhlekude eNtabeni eMthatha.
Usashaqekile namanje umndeni kanye nomphakathi ngokushona kwengane ebineminyaka e-10 ubudala eshone ngenxa yemoto yamaphoyisa okubika ukuthi iphaphazele emjondolo behleli kuwo izingane. Ezinye ingane ezimbili beyihleli eceleni komgwaqo zona ilimele zasiphuthunyiselwa esibhedlela.
Usapho lwexhoba luzingela impendulo emva kwesithwa kumbe kwaye lunyanzelisa ukuba amapolisa abandakanyekayo athwaliswe uxanduva. Luthi kunzima ukwamkela okwehlileyo. Kananjalo ulusapho luthi aluyazi ukuba luza kudibanisa ntoni nantoni kumalungiselelo omngcwabo nanjengoko lungathathi intweni.
Into esiyifunayo sifemeli sifuna lamapolisa amabini abulele lo mntana. Umthetho udlala indima against wona. Okwesibini sifuna athathe uxanduva ngalomntana.
Tyholwa ngelithi amapolisa amabini beqhuba ivankile atye kwabanentsente. Seyabahlale bebevutha ngumsindo basitshisa sangqongqa isithuthi sabo.
Eyona nto ibebuhlungu ku-approach amapolisa mamelani bantakwethu. One weekend abantu basele. We need into basebenzise intelligent. How to save thina ne-arm nekwi-close kwi-informal settlement. Kangani mamela.
Usapho lukwabanga ngelithi abaphathi besikhululo sasekuhlaleni basilele ukuthathela ingqalelo izikhalazo zabo.
Umphathi wamapolisa uthi naye ezo rumors uzivile ezoba amapolisa ebesele. Sithi ke ngoku siyifamily xa ubungqina xa nawe irumors ubuzivile wenze ntoni ngalamapolisa ukuprova into bebengaselanga.
Ukanti amapolisa athi lo mba uphantsi kophando lwesebe eliphanda izikhalazo ngamapolisa i-IPID ngamafuphi. Ndimandile Mbanja wendaba ze-SABC eKapa.
Uthisha wase-Eastern Cape wenzela kuleli iqhenya kakhulu ngayo emva kokuqoqa indondo engqungqutheleni i-Pan African Conference on Teacher Education emcimbini obubanjwe komkhulu le-African Union e-Addis Ababa e-Ethiopia.
Usuke emagqagaleni kwisikolo sasezilalini kumvezo waya kuthi ngcu enkcochoyini kwi-SADC. Nguntombozuko Mkhizwane lokusabela kwaye ngoyena mfundisi ntsapho ugqwesileyo kwi-SADC. Ukuzijula ijacu kwakhe kwezemfundo kumenzele ezibukwayo.
Ndaphumelela ke ngoku into ekuthiwa yi-National Teaching Award, Excellence in Secondary Teaching, ndaphinda ndangenela into ekuthiwa ngu-National Best Teacher. Ngoku ke ndiye ndaphakanyiswa ke ngoku ngumphathiswa ubana mandihambe ndiye kwi-AU. Zezo sacrifices okanye koko kuzinikezela.
Umkhizwana ufundisa isiNgesi kwisikolo sezobunzululwazi nobuchwephesha iNelson Mandela kumvezo apho akwalisekela nqununu. Ukholelwe kubeni ezimbasa ziyinkuthazo kwabasetyhini ukuba banqandwe ziinkwenkwezi.
So ndiziva ndonwabe kakhulu kuba kukhona into ethanda uthethwa kakhulu ingathi thina abantu abangomama sinolawulo oluyesheshe. Kodwa ndicinga uba ndilithemba kubafazi namakhosikazi ase-South Africa.
Isithili sase-OR Tambo kwanabo babisa kuba ngabafundi kwisikolo sikaMkhizwana bazingomba isifuba.
Umem idlale kakhulu irole esikolweni. Into endingayithetha ndingathi umem ebengengotishala kuphela kodwa umem ukwazi ukuba ngumzali kuthi.
Sonwabe kakhulu siziva iprovince yethu ibonakala in the bigger map yoMzantsi Africa and contributing in terms of the teaching profession.
Umkhizwana ufumene amawonga amabini i-African Union Continental Teacher Award kunye ne-African Union Continental Award in Rural Teaching. Ungomnye kwababini abaphumeleleyo kwingingqi ye-SADC. Kwiindaba ze-SABC ndingufundiswa Mhlekude eMthatha.
Mbukeli umhlahlo wesimo sezulu yalandela emva kwekhefu. ihlango simaqapha sinamanxeba asagudla ifoni uqasala kawase komise ngaliviyo uzayintontonga inkomo ithandaza ibawo ukuhlehla kwenqama isuke ngaphandle siyathatha amandla eteleni siyemakhaya siyobhoba inkomo sizobuya kusasa nendaba eyigcwele uqala ngokaphumula ngehora lokuqala nezokuthanyana abuye noqolo ukuthi ngokuxoxa isikhombisa nendaba ke eyigcwele kusasa